Growing succulents and cacti can be rewarding and relatively low maintenance, but they do have specific care requirements. Here are some general guidelines for caring for succulents and cacti, as well as propagation tips. 1. Light succulents and cacti thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Place them near a south or east-facing window where they can receive several hours of sunlight each day. While they can tolerate some direct sunlight, too much can lead to sunburn and damage. 2. Soil. Well-draining soil is crucial for succulents and cacti. You can use a commercial cactus mix or create your own by mixing regular potting soil with sand or perlite to improve drainage. Avoid using soil that retains too much water, as these plants are susceptible to root rot. 3. Watering. Succulents and cacti are drought-tolerant plants, and overwatering is a common cause of their demise. Water them sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. The frequency of watering will depend on factors such as the climate, pot size, and plant size. It's better to underwater than to overwater. 4. Temperature and humidity. Succulents and cacti prefer warm temperatures ranging from 65°F to 85°F, 18°C to 29°C. They can tolerate lower temperatures but may suffer damage if exposed to frost. Maintain low to moderate humidity levels, as high humidity can lead to fungal issues. 5. Pot and repotting. Plant your succulents and cacti in pots with drainage holes to prevent waterlogged roots. Repot them only when they outgrow their current containers or to refresh the soil every few years. Spring is usually the best time for repotting. 6. Fertilizing. Succulents and cacti have modest nutrient requirements. You can use a diluted, balanced fertilizer during their active growing season, spring and summer, but avoid fertilizing during the dormant winter months. Propagation. 1. Leaf propagation. Some succulents, like echeverias, can be propagated from individual leaves. Gently twist off a healthy leaf from the parent plant. Allow it to callus over for a day or two, and then place it on well-draining soil. Keep the soil lightly moist until new plantlets form at the base of the leaf. 2. Stem cutting propagation. Take stem cuttings from healthy succulents or cacti and let them dry for a day or two. Plant the cut end in a well-draining soil mix and water sparingly until roots develop. 3. Offsets. Many succulents, such as hens and chicks, sempervivum, produce offsets, small plants growing at the base of the main plant. Carefully detach these offsets and replant them in their own pots. 4. Division. Some cacti, like the Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera, can be divided by carefully separating sections of the plant and planting them in new pots. Remember that different species of succulents and cacti may have slightly different care requirements, so it's a good idea to research the specific needs of the plants you have to ensure they thrive. With proper care and propagation, you can enjoy a beautiful collection of succulents and cacti in your home or garden.